Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I'm excited about this one. So I did previously make a pink one of these, but it wasn't as detailed, so I told you I was going to give y'all another detailed video. And also my client did not take any pictures, but this one did, so now y'all can actually see it on the body. I'm going to insert a picture of the pink one. But y'all know I like to get right into it. So like I said, the other video wasn't detailed. So right here, you can't really see the mesh. But if you turn your brightness up a little bit, then maybe you could. So right here, I am just using my hot knife. It's also listed in my Amazon storefront if y'all interested or if y'all need one. This vendor kind of cleaned up the appliques a little bit, so I didn't have that much to take off, but this is me hand sewing. And yes, y'all, I put the appliques on before I did this process right here. In the pink video, I did this process first, but long story short, my client came, so I had to go ahead and measure the appliques on her while she was here. So now on this part right here, I am making the straps for the back of the top, and I am basically making my own pattern pieces, going by measuring and getting the desired pattern that I would like. And this is it, and I am just going ahead and cut it out with my rotary cutter, also listed in my Amazon storefront. And y'all, I finally got me a cutting table, cutting board, whatever y'all want to call it, and I'm excited about it. So right there, I just went ahead and pinned up the end so that I can have a cleaner look on the end of the things. And then we're going to go ahead and hem up the sides like so, and go ahead and sew those down. Okay, babe, so while we do that, I just want to take the time out to literally thank y'all so bad for everything. Like, any type of support that y'all do for me, for my business, liking, sharing, watching, whatever it is. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I am growing all around, and I am so thankful, so grateful for everything and everybody. Like, and the men upstairs have been so abundant, and everything has been working in my favor. Everything is in the line. This is what it's looking like, super clean. And now we're gonna go ahead and attach it to the mesh, I'm sorry. But yes, y'all, I am so grateful. I have no complaints in life, and I am just so happy to see what God has in store for me, for my channel, for my social media accounts, for my influencing to others, like me inspiring others, my business, everything. I'm just so excited. So y'all, I am also recording my little, y'all know, my videos for my reels and stuff like that. But I'm just staying humble, staying blessed, and just staying focused. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the straps. Literally the same way we just did. We're just gonna hem up the bottom of this, and then after that we're gonna fold it in half. And after folding it in half, we're gonna just go ahead and sew that straight down. And y'all, I did not show y'all with the loop turner to turn it to the right side, because I think I showed y'all that 1,000 times. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I went ahead and pinned it, and we're gonna go ahead and sew those down. Y'all, this green was just giving everything, and then my client topped it off with that blonde hair. Like, yes, get into the looks. So it's like, I was loving it. Y'all know I was thirsty. But y'all, let's get into the skirt. It's already cut out. And we're gonna go ahead and pin each side. And y'all, FYI, I don't need to pin. I just do this for y'all. Yeah, I brag different. No, but we're gonna go ahead and sew that all the way down on both sides. Okay, y'all, so after we do both sides, we're gonna go ahead and take the elastic band. My client was here, so it wasn't as detailed, but it's detailed enough for y'all to understand what's going on if you pay attention. Okay, so when I'm making the skirt, I always use extra material at the top. I forgot to mention that to y'all, so that I'm able to fold it down to give it that, to cover up the elastic band. And right now, I am hemming up the bottom. And that is about it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. Let me know if you create something like this. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Follow for more videos like this. All links are listed in the description box. And this is the final and finishing look. Yeah, my client definitely ate. I love it. Make sure y'all like and follow for more videos. And I'm out. Peace.